Welcome to our flower drawing tutorial. Today, we'll explore the plant reproductive system through a simple yet informative drawing. Let's start with the basics. A flower is the reproductive part of a plant, and it consists of several key components. Moving on to the female reproductive organs, we have the pistils. These consist of the stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma receives pollen. Let's draw the stamens. These are the male reproductive organs, consisting of filaments and anthers. The anthers produce pollen. Draw 5 to 10 stamens, each with a small anther at the tip. While the ovary contains ovules where fertilization occurs. Draw a single pistil in the center of the flower. Let's draw the petals. These colorful parts attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Draw 5 to 7 petals, depending on the type of flower you're illustrating. Make sure they're rounded and slightly curved. 2 to 220. Let's add some details. Draw lines on the stamens to represent the filaments and anthers. Add some texture to the pistil to represent the stigma and style. Let's add the sepals. These green, leaf-like structures protect the flower bud before it opens. Draw 3 to 5 sepals, depending on the flower type. They should be smaller than the petals. Let's talk about pollination. When pollen from the anther lands on the stigma, fertilization can occur. This leads to seed production and fruit growth. You can add some pollen grains to your drawing to illustrate this process. And that's it. You've successfully drawn a flower illustrating the plant reproductive system. This drawing will help you understand the complex process of plant reproduction. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and learning. End of script. ***. Feel free to adjust the script according to your needs and drawing style.